Dr. Izhar, we are in a very special event today, and this is Akhubat Foundation's Fountain House, and you guys are treating here very special people, and nobody takes care of them, only you. Who are these people?
Thank you very much, Dr. Zhu. Actually, you know that there are males and females, and we forget that there are some other human beings who are neither males and nor females, and we usually call them eunuchs. And actually, there is no institution in Pakistan to see and follow these human beings and address to their certain issues. So Akhubat thinks that we should start something as a pilot project to deal with some 40 eunuchs and try to rehabilitate them in due course of time. So first we start enrolling them, and after the enrollment we just ask them to come to Fountain House once a month. Here we discuss their very vital issues, and subsequently we give them some suggestions, some piece of advice, and subsequently we will give them a very small token amount so they can have their you can say very essential commodities to be purchased by that amount, and having a lunch at the end of the activity. So last month we did diabetic education and diabetic management protocols with them, and educated them how to control their diabetes and what lifestyle changes should be there to have a very good, productive and healthy life.
So what is today?
In today's event, we are going to have screening of hepatitis C, because most of them are veteran sex workers. So they might have protected something like hepatitis B, C,
yes,
and AIDS. This month we are emphasizing on hepatitis C. We will have free test on hepatitis C. Then we will try to educate them through a presentation, and we will offer them to see a movie regarding the hepatitis C, and it also will cover the transmission of hepatitis B and AIDS as well.
AIDS as well. About personal hygiene or anything else included as well?
Yes, we are trying to give them tips on personal hygiene as well. It's a very slow and gradual process, because to bring a change, especially in lifestyle, is quite difficult.
Yeah.
They are having a long history of living in a specific lifestyle, and we think that we have to work very hard and for years to bring some you can say very productive changes in their personality.
Great. So let's see and walk in. This is actually, have a look, Akhubat Foundation's Fountain House, the beautiful garden, and then let's go inside and see what's happening in here. So here we are. This is the registration going on, and then the free blood test is going on the side, so you can see all of them here, and they are just as human beings as everybody else, and nobody else is taking care of them, so Akhubat Foundation does. And this is a person getting a little bit of education on the blood sugar level. So here they are coming all in. So cheers to you, Akhubat Foundation, doing a great job.